In this video, I will show you how to block direct messages on TikTok. If this guide helps, please consider subscribing and liking so others can find it too. So you're going to go and open TikTok. Once you've opened TikTok, you're going to go to your profile and tap 3 bars in the top right corner. Once you're there, you're going to go to Settings and Privacy. In Settings and Privacy, you are going to go to Privacy and scroll down until you find Direct Messages. You are then going to tap Settings, and under Permission Settings, you have Potential Connections or Others on TikTok. So we are going to go to Potential Connections, and you have 2 options. You can choose to have people request to direct message you on TikTok, or you can tap Don't Receive and you will not receive any direct messages on TikTok. And just like that, your inbox and direct messages can be secured. I hope this guide helped.